In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload listing on Amazon. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create and publish a product listing in Seller Central, with clear tips to make the process smooth and professional. First, make sure you have an Amazon seller account. Head to sellercentral.amazon.com and sign up as a seller. You'll choose between an individual plan, which has no monthly fee but a per item charge, or a professional plan with a monthly subscription. Pick the one that fits your sales volume. Complete the required verification by submitting your identification, bank details, and tax information so your account is fully active before you continue. Once you're in Seller Central, open the inventory menu and click Add a Product. This is your starting point for creating or attaching to a listing. Next, check whether your product already exists in Amazon's catalog. Search by product name or by barcode, such as a UPC or EAN. If you find an exact match, click Sell this product, then enter your price, quantity, and condition. This is the faster route because you're joining an existing page. If your product isn't listed, choose I'm adding a product not sold on Amazon to create a new detail page. Now fill in your product details. Enter a clear product title, the brand name, and the most accurate category. Write a concise, benefit-driven description and bullet points that highlight features and uses. Add relevant keywords so customers can find you through search. Keep it readable, include main phrases customers would type, and avoid keyword stuffing. Upload your images next. Your main image should be on a pure white background and clearly show the product. Add additional images for lifestyle shots, close-ups, and key features. High-quality, well-lit images with multiple angles significantly increase conversions. Set your price and inventory. Add your selling price, the quantity you have available, and an SKU, which is your internal code to track the item. Use a consistent naming system so your team can manage stock easily. Choose your fulfillment method. With FBM, you handle storage, packing, and shipping yourself. With FBA, Amazon stores, picks, packs, and ships for you, which often makes scaling easier and can improve delivery speed. If you use FBM, set your shipping rates and delivery time. Keep these realistic to maintain customer satisfaction and account health. When everything looks good, click Save and Finish to publish. Your product will go live after approval. Listings typically appear within minutes to a few hours,